In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic confirm in Instagram. On Instagram, the feature often called automatic confirm usually shows up when the app auto approves follow requests or takes actions without asking you directly, which can feel confusing. In reality, Instagram doesn't have a dedicated toggle called automatic confirm, but the behavior is tied to how your privacy and activity settings are configured. If your account is public, follow requests don't exist. Anyone who taps follow is automatically confirmed. To turn that off, you'll need to switch your profile to private. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, open Settings and Privacy. Now, then scroll to Account Privacy and toggle on Private Account. With this, every new follow request will require manual approval, so Instagram won't auto-confirm them anymore. If you're experiencing auto-confirm in other areas, such as group invites, message requests, or tag approvals, you can manage them individually. In Settings and Privacy, go to Messages and Story Replies and disable automatic adding to groups or filter message requests so they don't auto-approve. Under Tags and Mentions, you can also set tags to require manual approval before they appear on your profile. If your concern is about Instagram automatically confirming logins or suspicious activity, that ties to the Login and Security section. There, you can review trusted devices and turn off automatic saves of login info so that Instagram always asks you to confirm before logging in. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.